How to clear active logins history on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Firefox. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top corner and click on those three lines. Then now all what you have to do is simple. Just go here and to history option, click on it like this. Now click here on clear recent history, and now here you will find active logins, as you can see. Now remove all those options and let only the active logins, and choose the time range to clear on the active logins, for example everything, and click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.